So my box arrived today. It is my new video camera for YouTube, so this will be the last video from my phone you'll be seeing. Sure that's in frame. Yes, it is. Man, this thing's small. I hope this has enough space for me to record everything. That's the manual, owner's manual. Well, it's the instruction book. Okay, this is the battery. Oh, it comes with a remote. I did not know that. Plastic tab came out of there. Oh, it comes with 2 batteries, it seems like. Oh, nice, it comes with 2 batteries. And that's the charger. And the camera itself. Can I help you? My cat's right here wanting my attention. Yes, Rosie, I see you. Holy crap, this thing's small. It comes with a carrying case. Look at that. Oh, not bad for the size of my hand. There's that plastic right here you have to peel off. That's what the lens looks like. 4K Ultra HD camera, megapixels 42.0. So this is called a handheld camcorder. I don't know, you guys comment down below. Is that the brand name of it? You guys tell me. Oh, it comes with a flash plug-in too. Look at that. Which I got a separate photo camera for that, so I won't be using that anytime soon. And this is the battery insert. Oh, look at that. It's got a memory card in there already. Not bad for 32 GB. 32 GB, that ain't bad. Alrighty, I'm gonna make a video using this camera and we'll see what happens from there and see if I like it. See you in the next one.